devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. They said they only saw one small tumor in your brain. Right now they are saying it is three. If you are the one putting on the live stream, all three of them, I command, let them disappear.
Today is like my 15th day or 13th day weekend out. I'm making progress and I am so happy. Let me show you guys my feet. I just came back from working out. By working out, I mean taking a walk. It's just perfect because that is also the same time that NSPPD starts by Pastor Jerry, and I'd love to invite you guys to join. I recently just started joining myself. I think it's just under 1 month, and one thing I can assure you is that your prayer life is going to change. I just wanted to push myself and it has really been amazing. So this mug is from April when my sister got married, my younger sister. My other younger sister, she got married. This is the only souvenir that they gave me or that I got, but you know that once you're the one organizing an event, most of these things you might not even have them. You give them out to people that came for the wedding. And I really just wanted this mug for myself because it's something that I can use in my house. So congratulations again, Amaka and Obina. If you're seeing this, happy April, May, June, July, August, September. 5 months anniversary. It's either I go to the market today, I do the unboxing of the freezer later at night, or I do the unboxing of the freezer later today and then I go to the market tomorrow, because I have to have that freezer up and running before I come back from the market so that everything I got from the market is going to go into the freezer. Does that make sense? So I just came back from Karimo Market. Karimo Market is a Tuesday and Friday market in Abuja where you can go buy foodstuffs, clothes. Okay, it's a thrift market, it's a second-hand market. I'm working with Siwe currently and I need to produce some content, and the outfit that I wanted to wear for the content, I couldn't find a very good price for it, so I decided to go to buy a thrifted one. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. Look at these sneakers, guys. It's so beautiful. 13,000 naira. Oh yeah, I bought some I got some workout leggings. Look at the cut of this one. I don't know if you guys can see me, but this is the cut of this one. It's so pretty. This is like a dark gray. Blue as well. I just wanted something that had pockets. This one has pockets, so I really like this one. It's actually what I intend to use for the content that I'm going to create, because I want to shoot in the tennis court. So I couldn't find a two-piece, which is what I went to look for. I was looking for a two-piece in white, so I couldn't find that too. I was imagining Serena Williams playing tennis. I know she's wearing one of these things, so this is what I'm going to be wearing. Of course, I got a short for it that I'll be wearing underneath, but I think it's cute because Seaway, their colors are blue and white, and this is blue. I think it's really, really, really cute. Let me know in the comment section, have you gone to Karimo Market before? What did you buy? Do you think it's cheap or do you think it's just overrated? off my freezer. I'm going to watch it and see how it performs. By tomorrow morning, I want to see how long it can last without light and all that. So I know I've said this 1,001 times, so please guys, I need your help. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, especially share. Please, I need you guys to share my videos so other people can see what I am doing on this channel. Okay, I'm sorry for the noise. It's already night. Where's my wristwatch? I don't know, it's like maybe to 8. So you know how Nigeria is now, there's noise everywhere. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. My brother will be back from work, so I need to come and start boiling rice. I have stew, so I'm going to boil rice. And yeah, so till we see you again next time, I'm still Carol. Toodles!